We have 5 different types of corded microphones used within the facility. The first one shown here is a Beta 58. It does not require phantom power, so make sure that it is not selected on the soundboard. And this microphone is best used for any kind of use. It's a general use microphone. Could be used for singing, speech, or vocal applications. The second microphone is a Beta 57. Better used for speech and vocal applications, not for singing. Also does not require phantom power. The third one is a Beta 52 and is used for kick drums only. Does not require phantom power as well. The fourth microphone is a condenser or coral microphone. It actually comes with its own collar and windscreen as shown here, and the collar does need to be used because of the thin shaft of the microphone. This microphone does require phantom power and is best used for large singing groups or choirs. The last microphone is a table mic. It's best used for head, panel, or judge applications when there's a couple people at a head table and we don't want to have multiple Beta 58s or 57s on there just for appearance. It can also be used on the theater floor to pick up floor sound if you have groups that are stomping or tapping or anything like that. It's great at picking that up, and this one does require phantom power as well. The table mic has a special XLR connector as shown here in the case, and this needs to be used specifically with the table mics. This is one of the direct input or DI boxes used throughout the union. Specifically for this particular DI box, this requires a 1/4 inch insert, so we're actually having a 1/4 inch into the input side of the DI box, and on the other end of that cord would be a 1/8 inch to be used with an MP3, iPod, iPad, or computer application. On the other side is the output, and that's an XLR output to be connected to speakers, soundboard, or whatever the case might be. The next item here is gender changers or adapters, and we have both female to female and male to male, which can help to change the gender of your cords in case of different applications. The next one shown here is a 1/4 inch to XLR adapter. And then the last one here looks like a male to male or female to female adapter, but it's actually called an attenuator. When on the side you see 3 different settings as shown right here, and that actually changes the amount of sound that is sent to a specific application. These are preferred to be used when the little dogs are used throughout the facility coming from computer speakers or other speech performances, because there's a tremendous amount of signal that goes to those speakers, and this will actually pare it down a little bit so that the sound is not as loud or tinny. These are the 2 most commonly used cables throughout the facility. The first on the left hand side is the XLR, and it's typically used for microphone applications or for DI boxes as well. And on the right hand side is the 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, which is typically used for instrument and guitar applications.